Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Planning a vacation can be super exciting, but let's be real, it can be a bit of a financial puzzle. But guess what? With a little planning and some discipline, you can turn that dream trip into a reality. So let's dive into this ultimate guide on how to save for your vacation without breaking the bank. First things first, set a clear goal. Figure out where you want to go, how long you'll stay, and what you want to do. Do some research on costs: airfare, accommodation, food, transportation, entertainment. Having a specific amount in mind makes the saving process way more manageable. Next up, create a vacation budget. Break down your expenses into categories like flights, lodging, meals, activities, and even souvenirs. Don't forget to include a little buffer for unexpected expenses. This budget will be your roadmap, helping you track your progress. Now let's calculate your savings target. Divide the total cost by the number of months until your departure. Boom, you have your monthly savings target. Automate your savings. Seriously, this is a game changer. Set up a separate savings account just for your vacation fund. Arrange for a portion of your paycheck to be automatically transferred to this account. By automating, you reduce the temptation to spend elsewhere. And hey, use savings apps. Apps like Digit, Capital, and Mocha can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the spare change into your vacation fund. These small contributions add up over time. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your spending habits. Maybe dine out less, cancel unused subscriptions, or cut down on utility bills. Redirect that money into your vacation fund. Consider earning extra income. Take on a part-time job, freelance, or sell items you no longer need. Extra income can really accelerate your savings. Make the most of cashback and rewards programs. Use credit cards, shopping apps, and loyalty programs to earn points or cash back on everyday purchases. Apply these rewards towards your vacation expenses. Save windfalls. Got a tax refund, bonus, or gift? Consider saving a significant portion for your vacation. Windfalls can give a substantial boost to your fund. Be flexible with your plans. Travel during off-peak seasons when flights and accommodations are cheaper. Look for last-minute deals and discounts. Being open to alternative destinations or dates can also save you money. Track your progress. Use a spreadsheet, app, or journal to monitor your deposits and expenses. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated. Finally, stay disciplined and patient. Saving for a vacation requires commitment. Remind yourself of the joy and experiences that await you. Every small contribution brings you closer to your goal. Saving for a vacation is not just about the destination, it's about the journey too. Start today, stay focused, and enjoy the anticipation of your upcoming adventure. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.